सबसे बड़ी देखिए सी व्हाट्स अ प्रॉब्लम इन इंडिया वी आर लेस बाय the employment and for the employability purpose and for the internship purpose, Tecnia has taken a great initiative to come up with the job fair, and you can see the live telecast with your naked eyes that so many students, not only from Tecnia Institute but from the entire country, from the different parts of the country, and they people have taken the part in the job fair, and some of them are graduates, some of them are undergraduates, some of them are PGs as well. The people are working hard for the interviews, and you will be amazed to know one thing, that they people have enrolled themselves, registered themselves for at least 5 or 6 companies, and definitely people are I mean students or candidates are very much excited to be the part of job fair.
सर अब टेक्निया का न्यू सेशन स्टार्ट होने वाला है, तो आप उन स्टूडेंट्स को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे इस जॉब फेयर से रिलेटेड कि आगे जाके कि अपने आप को क्या क्या प्रिपरेशन करना चाहिए?
Very nice question, ma'am. Actually, if we are not skilled, we won't be able to get the jobs easily. Indian market is very much complex, and frankly speaking, it needs some experience from you. If you don't have the experience, you must be possessed or equipped with some skills that are required by the market. And if one of the skills, I mean experience or skills you have, you'll be able to get the job easily in the market. Every student, whether that student is undergraduate or graduate or PG, that must be equipped with some skills. Thank you.